We saw kind of what a low-level language was. Now, as we move away from the CPU and we go higher up the curve, we get into what's known as a higher level language. And with higher level languages, you tend to worry less about the actual hardware. And yes, I understand you get a whole lot of people out there that say, listen, although it's easier to write, it can be slower when running because it's not optimized for the CPU at the CPU level. But I'll be honest with you, I haven't encountered any problems. And in this day and age, compilers and transpilers are so incredibly powerful. And I'm going to be telling you what these are, so don't worry yet. But these programs that convert JavaScript into machine code are very powerful, and they're written by very clever people. So at the end of the day, high-level languages are just a lot more efficient for programmers. So the question you're probably asking now is, well, where does JavaScript fit in? Is it a low-level language or a high-level language? Well, wait for it. It's a high-level language, which is awesome and what makes it so incredibly powerful. And now as we move on, just bear in mind when we write JavaScript code, we refer to this code as source code. And the source code is also called a program. And this source code will eventually be translated in machine code, so it can run on a computer. So we know this, we've been through it. We know a machine can only understand ones and noughts. So we know when we're writing text as JavaScript, you and I both know that eventually has to go to zeros and ones. What I'm trying to get across is that when I'm writing code, it's source code. And when I'm programming or I'm coding, I'm just meaning the same thing. I'm just meaning I'm writing code. I'm writing words.